Welcome to our series on the basics of neuroscience. I am Brighty and today we are diving into the fascinating world of neuroscience to understand what it is and why it's so important. Neuroscience is a study of the nervous system, which includes the brain, spinal cord and all the nerves in your body. It helps us understand how we think, feel and act. So why should you care about neuroscience? It's crucial for understanding and treating mental health conditions, learning how we learn and remember, and even developing new technologies inspired by the brain. Let's take a quick journey through the history of neuroscience. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Greeks already knew the brain was important. In the 17th century, scientists like René Descartes started thinking of the brain as a machine. By the 20th century, Santiago Ramon y Cajal's groundbreaking work revealed the structure of neurons, earning him the title Father of Modern Neuroscience. Neuroscience is a big field, so let's break it down into some key areas. First one, molecular and cellular neuroscience, focuses on the tiny parts of the nervous system. The second one, cognitive neuroscience, studies how we think and remember. The third one, behavioral neuroscience, looks at how the brain affects our behavior. Fourth one, clinical neuroscience, helps us treat brain disorders. Fifth one, developmental neuroscience, explores how our brain grows and changes. The last one, computational neuroscience, uses math and computers to model brain functions. Neuroscience isn't just for scientists. It's used in medicine to treat diseases, in education to improve learning, in sports to enhance performance, and even in marketing to understand consumer behavior. What's next in neuroscience? Think brain-machine interfaces that let us control devices with our minds, advanced prosthetics, detailed brain mapping projects like Human Brain Project, and personalized medicine to your unique brain. That's a quick overview of what neuroscience is all about. In the next video, we will dive deeper into these topics. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to stay updated. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share this video if you found it interesting. See you in the next episode.